Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to permanently close your Indeed account. Now let's begin. Do you know that I've already gone to Indeed.com and logged into my account? In case you have not, log in as well. Once you've logged in, you can view something like this. And right here in the navbar, if you scroll right next to the bell icon, you will find your profile icon right here. Simply click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up, like profile, resume help and everything. Let's just go to settings. Now once you're in the settings page, initially you will be in the account setting page. Let's simply stay in the account settings. From right here, let's simply scroll down. And at the very end, you'll find an option called as close my account. Let's simply click on it. Now something like this is going to pop up. Now it's gonna ask us for our reason to close our account. Select whatever you wish. And once everything's okay, let's simply click on close my account. And guys, there you go. Our request to close our account has been submitted. After some time, our Indeed account will be closed. That's how we close your Indeed account permanently. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.